Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So I recently did a quick tip video on making lots and logs of tag blanks and journaling card blanks ready for, you know, decorating and putting in a journal. Brown paper bags on the back, book pages on the front. And I also did a video where I was like mass making tags and creating these over the page tags. So I've got a few of those done up ready, and the reason why I did these was because, and this is my next top tip, is I have a journal, well I have three, nearly finished, and I need lots of tags for them, and this was kind of just, I wanted to sort of show you the sort of thing I do. I know the last signature needs bits in. Where's my last signature? There we go. So let's go, just take that out so it's less cumbersome. So I went through this and I kind of looked, right, so I've got a pocket there. I've written on there in a post-it, I need a picture there. This needs obviously decorating. I created a load of these, so that will probably go across there. There's no probably about it. That is what's going to happen with that. So I can just take that off there, and that will go in there. I've put an over the page thing there ready. I'll probably chuck a tag underneath that nicely. Maybe do one on the other side as well. I may change my mind, but I'm just placing them to see what I actually want. I've got them placed ready to go on the inside. That's all done, that's all done. That needs a tag. Put underneath there. Sometimes some of these might turn into documents, but I'm just sort of placing them now so that I've got an idea of what I do and don't need. I might put another over the page one there, and we need another one of them. That's not big enough, so we'll have another one there to go over there. That's done. Picture on the back. So that is me now knowing that in these signatures I have now got what I need, and so now I can come to it and think about the colours that are already there, the picture that I've used on that tag. That was another mass make that I did. I did it in the same way, but I covered those with tea dyed paper, but then I decided let's just be proper junky and use, so I'll probably pick some ink there, decorate it to match that. I quite like the fact that that bit of washy sort of matches. Here we've got very neutral, so I can virtually put anything I want in there, and there I might have a little bit of red to match that, and I'll do a little cluster over there to match that red. So now I can sort of go through and add what I need to add to this so that it matches what's on the page, rather than just make them up willy-nilly and not actually know what will match. So that is sort of my plans for doing that. So that's that signature done, and now I can go in to this middle signature. I'm sure one of them is nearly finished. I can tell this one isn't because it's dead thin, that. So I was deciding on putting a pocket there, but there's a bit of me that thinks what I might do, changing my mind, is I might put that pocket on the back there and have an over the page one there. And I'm thinking I want a bigger tag in there. I think that's a much better look. I was just placing some of these that I made before, and I was just sort of placing them where I could. Now I'm left with that. I'm thinking I want another one of something like this, so that's when I'm going to go to my papers, which I've got some in here, and sort of decide on, have we got any colour on this side? No, not really, it's all fairly neutral, so I could choose virtually anything that I wanted to go on there. Oh, I remember thinking that that was pretty special. Quite a nice, quite regal looking. That might be nice to go over. I do like a bit of purple. Oh, I quite like that. I might go for that. So I'm going to leave that ready at hand. So that's quite nice. I think I need to just trim that edge off because it's got a bit from, it was in a pad, so it needs coming off. That does seem to fold quite nicely. And then I want to just do the corners. So we'll have that over there, like that. Yeah, I like. And then we might put, I might put her on that side, and then put maybe a journaling card on this side, just to be a little bit different. So now you need to put a nice little paper clip in there, hold those in place. So this is what I do. So this will make the process then of finishing off very much quicker. I'm not going to put anything under there, but I might put something under that side. There we go. I haven't even decided what's going on the centre of that one. Nice little tag held under there. These might change for, I've got newspaper clippings and all sorts like that, but I'm putting those in now that they could be used. I will, when I come to think about it more, I may change. Right, yeah, so pop it there. And you need a tag. Lovely. And then I'll probably put a picture on that. So that's that signature all done. And then the final signature, I think, is more or less done. I might change that. So I've got something in there that I'm going to pop in a document or something. We're doing all right there. We need a cluster there. So like you see, some of them I've just tacked in pictures. We've got that there. I'll probably need something in there. I'll probably do a document in that one. You've got something. You've got something. You need something. I like that it says the princess. That's very cute. So we've got a tag on this side. You've got a few things in there. You need a nice tag. Have we got one that's a bit taller? No, they're all about that, Jess. And then we need something in there. Oh, something over there as well. So that is me gone through those 3 signatures. So I now know I've done something very wrong there. Oh, it's just that. There. So they're all. This one still feels less fat. Not sure why. So that is now filling up nicely. It's got the things in. Now I just need to decorate, but at least I know now I've got the right amount in. And there will be pockets in the front and the back, and I've got enough tags for that. So I know now I'm done. I've got 2 more to go through and do that with, but that is my little quick tip on making sure you've got the right amount of ephemera ready. I will add then some, you know, newspaper clippings, some documents, etc. But that's my top tip on planning a journal, getting the right number of tags and things. And yeah, so hope that was useful, and I'll be back soon with something else for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.